Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to set up a subdomain in your Funneltopia account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to domains. So in this case, we're going to be setting up a subdomain for an e-commerce store, right? The domain is goodcorgi.com, and we're going to be selling dog toys and dog food and whatever else, right? And we're going to be creating a subdomain which is going to be store.goodcorgi.com, just as a separate thing to kind of separate that from whatever else we're doing with this business. So what we want to do now is once we're in domains, we want to click add. And over here, we just want to put it in. We're going to be putting in store.corgi.com. Right? So that's going to be the subdomain. So there's two ways of doing this. If you have like Cloudflare or one of the supported domain hosting services, you can just click continue and it's going to be pretty quick and easy, like just a couple steps, right? Or you can do it manually, which I'm going to show now. On most domain hosting services, I think GoDaddy and others, they don't support that direct connection like with Cloudflare. And then that's why you need to add the manual records in your account over here, right? Your domain hosting service account. You need to create like a new record, which in this case, it's only going to be one. It's only going to be the C name. The A record is not needed because we already have the domain connected, right? So that's, we can kind of skip that step. In this case, yeah, what you want to do is like, let's just go back just to show you from scratch. So you have all your domains. So you select the domain that, like the main domain that the subdomain is connected with. And what you want to do is you want to create a DNS record. And let's click on DNS. It's going to be the same in all the hosting services, right? You know, things are going to be aligned differently, but pretty much going to be the same. So let's add a record. And over here, it's going to be CNAME. Let's select that. And then we just copy paste stuff. So host, it's going to be here. Required value. Here, and proxy status off. Let's just keep it off for now, and then let's click save. All right, now we can go back and we can verify records. So just click that, and it takes some time. Yeah, like it says 30 seconds. Sometimes it fails on first attempt, so just try a couple more times, 2, 3, 4 more times. Sometimes it just doesn't connect properly. But yeah, now let's just wait a few seconds for it to verify. All right, we have it connected. If you have a funnel you want to connect it to right away, go for it, all that stuff. But for now, yeah, there's nothing. We just close the page and that's about it. So yeah, obviously to test it out, you can still go and connect it to a funnel or a website or whatever, like the one that you're currently not using, but you can use for tests. So you can connect the domain because currently it's not connected to anything. So you can't really see whether it works or not. But yeah, I would suggest doing that. Just go connect it, see whether the page opens up, whether the domain works. But also, if it doesn't work, just kind of, check the video again to kind of go through the steps. And if it still doesn't work, you can just click over here for 24/7 chat support. Let us know. I'll try to respond as quickly as possible and get your issue fixed. Definitely reach out to us. Don't hesitate. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.